everyone, my name is Desana Bernolina with NPM 234111126. Today I will to present about material organizational behavior. Okay, on the first slide about definition organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is the study of how people behave in a workplace or organization. It looks at how individuals act, how they interact with others in group, and how the organization itself influences their behavior. So, in the simple terms, it helps us understand why people think, feel, and act in certain ways at work. Okay, next slide about importance now. Why is organizational behavior important? The main reason is because organizations are made up of people, not machines. If employees feel motivated and understood, they will work better and be more productive. By understanding organizational behavior, managers can create a positive environment, reduce conflicts, and improve teamwork. This will help the organization achieve its goals more efficiently. Okay, uh, the next slide about key elements. There are three main elements in organizational behavior. The first is individual behavior, the second is group behavior, and the third is organizational structure. These elements are connected to each other. For example, individual attitude can affect group performance, and organizational roles can influence how individuals behave. Okay, the next slide. Okay, the next slide about individual behavior. Let's talk about individual behavior. Every person is unique and has different personalities, perspectives, attitude, and motivation. Some people are very active and like to share idea, while others are more quiet and prefer to observe. This difference can affect how they complete tasks and interact with others. That's why it is important for manager to understand each individual. Okay, next slide about group behavior. Group behavior in most organizations, people work in teams rather than alone. This makes communication, leadership, and teamwork very important. Good communication can prevent misunderstandings, while strong leadership can guide the team to achieve goals. Even though conflict may happen, they can be useful in managed properly because they can lead to new ideas and better solutions. Okay, next slide about organizational structure. The three elements in organizational structure. This refers to how the organization is designed and managed. It includes rules, policies, work system, and company culture. For example, a strict structure may limit creativity, while a flexible structure may encourage innovation. So, structure play an important role in shaping employee behavior. Okay, next slide about benefits studying organizational behavior. Behavior gives many benefits. It helps manager make better decisions and understand employee needs. It can also increase productivity and improve relationships between coworkers. In addition, it helps leaders become more effective in managing and motivating their teams. Okay, next slide. Challenge, however. There are also some challenges in organizational behavior. For example, difference in background, culture, and personality can sometimes create misunderstandings. Employees may also resist change, especially if they feel uncomfortable or unsure. Communication problems can also reduce efficiency and cause conflicts. Because of this, organizations need to manage behavior carefully. Okay, the last slide about conclusion. In conclusion, organizational behavior is about understanding how people behave in organization. It is very important because it affects performance, teamwork, and overall success. By understanding this concept, we can work better with others and create a more positive work environment. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.